The laboratory technique we will be discussing today is thin layer chromatography, or TLC for short. This technique is a very fast, inexpensive method of determining the number of compounds present within a mixture. To begin, you must acquire a TLC plate, which is made from a thin layer of silica gel on a glass or aluminum backing. With a pencil, draw your starting line about 1 centimeter from the bottom of the plate and mark where you will place your samples. It is important to avoid using pen, as ink will not stay on the plate when you run it. You can now place your sample on the plate. Take a clean capillary tube and dip it in your first sample, and then lightly touch the tip of the capillary tube to the TLC plate in order to leave a small dot on the start line. Place a maximum of 3 sample dots on the start line with plenty of spacing between them. The TLC plate will run inside a chamber with solvent. Add a small amount of solvent to the chamber, ensuring that it coats the bottom of the TLC plate without going over the start line on the plate. Now you are ready to place the TLC plate in the chamber. The plate will immediately start absorbing the solvent, pulling the sample towards the top of the plate as the solvent itself moves up the plate. Let the plate stay in the chamber until the solvent line gets close to the top of the chamber or until you have good separation in the bands. Then, take the plate out of the chamber and draw a line to mark where the solvent stops. RF values, otherwise known as retention factors, measure how far the components of the mixture traveled with respect to the solvent. Measure how far each component traveled from the start line, then measure the length of the solvent front. The quotient of these two lengths is the RF value for the given compound.